My apologies about that. For our next question, we'll be looking for the molecular geometry of NH2-, and we'd like to use VSEPR to justify our answer. So as usual, we need to begin with the Lewis structure, which begins with the valence electrons. So we have 2 from the hydrogen, plus 5 because of the nitrogen, plus 1 because of the charge, and this will give us 8 electrons to work with. And so we will have nitrogen as our central atom, because it can make 3 bonds. And then we have 2 4 so far. We can't put them on the hydrogen. Hydrogen doesn't have the space for that, so it makes the most sense to put it around our nitrogen. This will lead us to the conclusion that we have a steric number of 4, and it would be AX2E2. So we just go to our VSEPR chart. The electron geometry would be tetrahedral. And the molecular geometry will account for the fact that some are lone pairs, and it will be bent or angular. So bent is the more common name. So if we're just to draw that out, we would have N, H, and H in the plane, and then you would have 1 pair of electrons behind and 1 pair of electrons coming out of the plane. And so the answer to this question is bent. Sorry, I forgot to include that the negative charge is on nitrogen. You can see that by just testing its formal charge. Hydrogen is 1 minus 1, 0. Nitrogen is going to be 5 minus the 2 electrons in bonding pairs minus the 4 in the lone pairs. And that's going to give you -1. And so that's it for this question. Your answer is bent.